you're experiencing issues with the Fortnite update getting stuck, follow these simple steps to resolve the problem and get back to gaming. Step 1. Restart your device. Shut down your gaming console or PC completely and then turn it back on. This can help clear any temporary glitches that may be causing the update to freeze. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other online services to confirm connectivity. Step 3. Clear cache. For consoles, you can clear the cache by unplugging the power cord for a few minutes. For PC, you can clear the cache by navigating to the Fortnite installation folder and deleting the temporary files. Step 4. Pause and resume the update. If the update is stuck, try pausing it and then resuming the download. This can sometimes kickstart the update process and get it moving again. Step 5. Reinstall Fortnite. If all else fails, uninstall Fortnite and then reinstall it. This will ensure that you have the latest version and can help resolve any persistent issues with the update. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue with the Fortnite update getting stuck. Happy gaming!